Welcome back to my channel. I'm Nyree, and today I'll be guiding you guys through my twist out tutorial. Now, I've always gotten questions about how I get my hair to look like this, how it looks so defined and good. Y'all are finally finna find out today. I'll be showing you every step I took to get to these results, including the products I used. But before we get into this video, make sure that you like, subscribe, and follow all my social medias below so that you can stay up to date with all the posts that I'll be releasing soon, because I have been putting out stuff very frequently. So I'm starting off with freshly washed hair. This is very important because you don't want any product residue from past styles getting in the way of your results. You can use any curl defining cream, leave-in conditioner, water-based gel or oil to do this style, and I'll make sure to leave links to good products in the description. What I'll be using are the Cantu leave-in conditioner, Cantu twist and lock gel, and lastly the argan oil from Garnier. First, I take a section from the bottom of my hair. You don't have to pay attention to your sections being the straightest because the twists are going to come out later on anyway. I'm going to go in and brush out this section so there's no tangles or knots when I untwist. Make sure to start from your ends and go up to your roots so there's less breakage. Then I start working the leave-in conditioner and the twist and lock gel through my hair. Depending on how thick the product is, sometimes I'll get a little heavy-handed and put a lot of product in, but I feel like the more product the better. Next, I add the oil on top so there's no flakes and we lock in the moisture. Then I start to do my two-strand twist. I like to twist tight but not too tight. You'll get better definition if you do this. Next time I see you, I'm gonna walk right up to you and say what's on my mind. I gotta make you see this is. Now when I get to the bottom, I coil the ends so they don't frizz up. Just like that. I repeat those steps for all the twists as I make my way up. Don't forget to detangle, that is so important. Took my hair down and I look like Albert Einstein. So I'm going to continue to twist all the way up my hair. I think I do about 8 to 10 horizontal rows total. Now once you get to the top, you want to decide how you're sectioning your hair. I use a rat tail comb. You can use any comb you want or your finger, but I like mine to be straight. And I decided to go in with a side part. Now that the sides are divided, I just focus on each individually and I put one up in my scrunchie while I continue to twist. Doing this style can get really messy though. Like, you're probably gonna have residue all over your shirt, but it is what it is. Okay, now I'm finally done twisting after like 2 hours, and this is how they look. You can see how moisturized and hydrated they are. Don't worry about the white product residue that you'll have in your hair. That's going to be gone when you dry. You could use a hair dryer or diffuser, anything, but I like to air dry and I'll just leave these in until the next morning. It's literally quarantine right now. Where are we going to go? So I just put my bonnet on and I'll see you guys when my hair is dry. So it's been 2 days and as you can see, my hair is still moisturized. Now it's time to untwist. If you're wary about getting any frizz or flakes in your hair, just use your oil and put some on your fingers while you're untwisting to avoid that. So to start untwisting, what I do is I section my hair and I untwist from the bottom so that I don't miss any, because I have a lot of twists. I don't know how many you may have done, but I have a lot and I don't want to only untwist certain parts and miss any. So again, take your oil, put some on your fingers, and you want to start from the bottom and pull the twist apart. You don't want to rake your fingers through the twist because you're going to ruin the definition. And you want to be very, very careful. And you just keep doing that for all your twists. Okay, so now that you've untwisted your hair, you're gonna take some of the strands that you have and you're gonna separate them so that you have more defined curls. And I like definition and volume, so you already know I'm taking my time. Now the twist out is done. Look at the definition. Do you see the definition? Honey, oh my gosh. This is definitely one of my best. And my hair is just gonna keep getting bigger and bigger as the days go on. My twist outs usually last about like a week. So my hair will be much more voluminous in a few days. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed my tutorial. I hope I was able to help some of you guys out, especially with the products and the tactics that I use for my method. Make sure to comment below if you tried out this tutorial and let me know how it came out. Also comment if you have any other tutorials or hairstyles that you want me to try out for you guys. And yeah, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.